Hi and welcome to the Size Matters demo. Now I have added the plugin to our install plugins area and I shall just press activate. Now I'm sure you know how to install a plugin. If you're running a WordPress site, it's the same way as every other plugin. And so then we go into settings. Now the first thing we need to do is put our Google API key in. Now we have these setups instructions here. I'm not going to take you through those setup instructions, but I do have an API key that is currently valid for this site only with restrictions. And then we will press Save Changes. Now we can access Google's API. The next thing we need to do is we need to add a page with the shortcode. So we'll just go to Pages. And as you can see here, we have nothing on this website. So let's go add a page. I'm going to call it Size Matters. Now this is just defaulting to Gutenberg. As you can see, I've not done anything with this website. We don't want patterns. No, go away. So we're going to go Size Matters. And we're going to publish it. And click Publish. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type in and choose a block. Now in the Gutenberg editor, we want to use shortcode. Now it's the same if you're in Elementor, you can use the Elementor shortcode widget or any other page builder. Now our shortcode is square bracket size underscore matters, close square bracket. And we now save. Now, I'm just going to close those settings there. And if we go back to page, we can see here, yep, it's all set. So let's go look at our page, view the page. Now here we have, da-da, our Size Matters plugin working. And as you can see, it's waiting now for an address, and down the bottom here, we have a table which will tell us our sizes and a notes area and a save polygons. So let's pop in an address. As you can see, I've got a few addresses here that I've been playing with already. So let's put this one in. Now you'll notice that it is not auto-loading. The reason we're not auto-loading is because if you change or click in this field, the map will readjust itself. So if you're in the middle of something and you accidentally click, the map will change. By us not having auto complete here, it just makes it that little bit more functional. So here we have, and as you can see, I'm just using the mouse to scroll down and view my page. Now you'll notice that it's the width of the page that I'm currently working on. But what we're going to do is let's have a look at this house and let's pretend we're going to do their lawns, shall we? We'll just scroll in and out of it. Let's just move the page with my right mouse button. So what we're going to do now is if we have a look here, I'm not sure, but that looks like it's on an angle. I wonder how I can tell. Well, that's easy. Let's just grab our little pig man and put him down on the street. So now here we can see, I'm using the left mouse button to move. We can see, aha, we have stairs here. Okay, so it is on a slope. Okay, that's good to know. What's the neighbor's area like? What's the boundary like? I'll just zoom in. Okay, so realistically we need to, because we're going to measure, we'll go up to this concrete line here. And what's it like around the corner? Now the fun thing about this is you can be on the phone talking to your client and you can be discussing it. Okay, so you've got this fire hydrant on the corner. Yes, that's right. Okay, yep, that's fine. Okay, we have a drain. Okay, it's not too steep. And let's have a look at this little back area here. So do you want your back area done as well behind the fence? Yep, and we can actually get through that fence easily enough. Yes, we can. Fantastic. Okay, and that goes around the house. Yes, it does. Okay, great, Mr. Customer or Mrs. Customer. So now you can see I've just been able to observe the entire property without leaving the computer or without leaving the office. Now, how to measure it? Okay, let's see. So let's first of all, let's start measuring. So up here we have the drawing, the hand to move things, and we have the draw a shape. So we're going to start here at the front door. We're going to click once. We'll go down to the end of the corner here. Now, as we're starting to go around the curve, I just need to move that over. I just used my right mouse button to do that. And you can see I've still got my little line intact. I'm just going to go straight across here. If I really wanted to, I could go around it, which I just did. Then we'll go up here, and I'm just going to cheat a little and go straight into the corner here, come out and join it up. So now we can see we've got 2,810 square feet or 261 square meters. And we know the address. Now this is also area 1. Okay, fantastic. Let's do that next section. So we're going to go along here, click in, go down the border line there, the edge of the house. Let's just follow the wall along, and it's a bit of funky stuff there where the tree is. Let's just move us over using my right mouse button, go down to the neighbor's driveway. I'm just going to overshoot that a little bit, come back here and back up. So now we know that that section there is 4,572 square feet. Now what this means is I can then calculate out at 10 cents per square foot, 20 cents per square foot, $20 per square foot. Now let's do the rest of the property. Let's come over here, clickety click. Let's just go in there. Oh dear, I might have done a little bit extra on that, but oops. And as we scroll down, we can see that's another 707 square feet. And we can see we've got 8,090. Now you'll notice that there is no formatting here. This is just picking up our default theme. So now we want this section here. Let me just blow it up a little to go full screen. And let's just zoom in. And we're going to go, we'll start here. And we'll just go along this back wall here. And here, and we'll go to there. We'll go in. We can't quite see what's behind there, but we can guesstimate. And, oh, where's our table? Oh dear. Well, that's area 4, area 2, area 1, area 3. But where's our table? Let's just go back. And here's our table. And we can see area 4 is 1,415 square feet. So now we've got a 9,500 square foot area, or 883 square meters. So now this means that I can calculate out how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, and I can prepare a quote accordingly.